Here we go, Hobbybox604 back with another Toonie break. This is group break number 358. Box of 1112 SP Authentic. Yes, buddy, send it as goods again because the fee was only 6 cents. It's not worth it to get in trouble for 6 cents. I thought it was 60 cents on $2. Okay, our box number is 330.
I want the guy on the cover since I have that team.
Oh, yeah, you have Edmonton.
Yeah.
Come on, camera.
Really? Ricky was the only one who pulled that, right? On that Nuge Future Watch?
No, twice he pulled. Once for me. I mean, yeah, we did a break together, and I had Edmonton. There you go, 330. And he did a box himself, and
I've never seen you pull one from all the Toonie breaks.
yeah, I know. I know. Yeah, we did a lot of this actually.
Pull one for me. How much does the reach go for anyway?
180?
180?
No, 180 to 100. Yeah. Pack 1. If I see a patch, we're going to leave it at the end. We start with a Future Watch non-auto for the Nashville Predators, Roman Josi, number 3. Number 392 of 999 for the Preds.
999.
999.
Those were always on.
I know. Usually we're in the Future Watch non-autos to 12.99.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Boo. Sign of the Times, Nicholas Grossman for Dallas. Grossman. Gross autograph.
What the? All base?
Yep.
Yeah, I forgot the SBA would have been base packs.
A lot of base pack in SBA. Be ready for next week, guys. SB Authentic next Wednesday.
Oh, it's next Wednesday. Yeah.
This Sunday. Rookie Holo Effects for the Chicago Blackhawks, Brandon Saad.
Oh, that's not like that one, so it's an stuff.
This Sunday, guys, we have a 4-box mixer of different years of SB Authentic, 0708, 1011, 1112, and 1213. It is $20 US a spot. Go grab your spots before they're gone. Rookie Holo Effects for Colorado, Gabriel Landeskog. It's definitely gross, man. Our first Future Watch autograph is Brian Strait for the Pittsburgh Penguins, 895 of 999. Damn, we're only down to one more auto. Hopefully, we get a bonus one in here. Oh, it's a redemption.
Oh, let's see. Might be still good.
Yeah, we've redeemed a few. They still honor it. Oh, God, it's going to be... Sign of the Times dual mystery redemption, guys. This will be randomized between everyone in the break. I don't know if you guys can read it or not. Dual mystery redemption. We had Gretzky and Messier once. We had Taze and Nikita the other time. So hopefully it'll be a big one. So this will be randomized between everyone in the break. Everyone will get a chance. Could be good. Lots of good dual mystery autos. And they still honor it. Because the last mystery dual auto we hit was about a month ago. SB Essentials for the Detroit Red Wings, Jimmy Howard. Come on, let's get a patch too, and then we'll make a super box out of this. Okay, well, basically the rest is going to be base.
Still have one more.
Oh yeah, we still have one more Future Watch. So there it is. We have a bonus one. Or no, it could be our... They're guaranteeing one Future Watch at least. 3 autos, 1 Future Watch. So it could be that Brian Strait could be our only Future Watch. Hey Alan, what was yours?
So much space.
So much space. At least the newer ones, it has like authentic moments
Retro.
and retros and stuff like that, right?
And this shipping.
All base. Did it say who it is though, Alan? They didn't even say who it is? Holy crap is the right word. All base.
Another one.
More base.
Down to like, what, 3 packs, 2 packs?
3 left.
And more base.
And more base.
Oh, come on, I can't do this. At least let me do one random.
Nope, base.
One last pack.
Last pack mojo.
Yeah, that'll be something. All of them had it in the last pack. Is it?
Oh, SP Essentials, Colorado Avalanche, Matt Duchesne. Okay, so give me 1 sec. I am going to set up the randoms, and we'll randomize that bad boy
1 in 15
to
chance.
someone in the break.
Team this setup. It's right there.
What is? Okay, so there's all the names here. 29 is actually Grabaguru. Grabaguru. There you go. So we randomize it 3 times, and the name on top wins the dual mystery. Good luck. Once, twice, third and final. Congrats to Alex.
Damn it.
Alex Hobby wins the dual mystery again. Alex is on a hot streak. Alex, congrats. That is yours. Let me know if you want me to send you the code only. Congrats. And here it is. 358 is in the books. We'll be back with more.
How many spots is Alex?